settle in, get comfortable, and let's begin the story of the color caper at the Crayonworks. Kiana, a girl who loved drawing, music, and all things magical, skipped into the Crayonworks, her heart brimming with excitement. The Crayonworks wasn't just any factory. It was a kaleidoscope of creativity, where colors danced and laughter echoed. Today was especially special because of the annual color celebration. But as Kiana arrived, a hush fell over the crowd. The rainbow of colors, a gigantic, shimmering arch of pure pigment, had vanished. Suddenly, a deep sky blue bubble, shimmering with a rainbow glow, drifted into view. Inside, lounging on a cloud pillow, was Zuzu, the bubble cat. Her fur, usually a playful sky blue, was now a swirling mix of colors, mirroring the musical chaos around her. "Oh dear," she purred, her voice like tinkling bells. "The rainbow of colors is gone! And I found this sparkly clue." She nudged a tiny shimmering speck with her paw. Just then, a fizzing sound announced the arrival of Peachy, the lollipop witch, zooming in on her fizzy soda broomstick, leaving a trail of bubblegum bubbles. Her hat, a giant swirled lollipop, bobbed as she landed. "Giggles! What's all the commotion?" she asked, her pink cheeks flushed. "The rainbow of colors is missing!" Kiana exclaimed. Peachy, with her wafer paper spellbook, examined the sparkly clue. This points to the very depths of the Crayonworks. Before they could say bubblegum, a lime green bubble saucer zipped in, piloted by Noonie, the space alien. "Dot? Greetings, Earthlings!" She giggled in a shower of sparkles. I sensed a disturbance in the color waves. "What's happening?" When they explained about the missing rainbow, Noonie's 3 eyes widened. "This is serious. Colors bring joy to the galaxy. We must find them." Kiana, her eyes sparkling with a mix of excitement and determination, stepped forward. "I love mysteries and drawing, and I'm in!" So the team was formed. Kiana, the artistic and brave girl; Zuzu, the musical and floaty bubble cat; Peachy, the candy-loving lollipop witch; and Noonie, the curious and wiggly space alien. Their quest had begun. Zuzu, using her bubble-blowing skills, created a map of musical bubbles to guide them through the maze-like passages of the Crayonworks. Each bubble contained a different melody, and as they followed the tunes, they navigated the colorful corridors. The first challenge was a sticky gumdrop barrier. "No problem," Peachy chirped, waving her fizzy wand. With a giggle, she cast a spell that turned the gumdrops into delicious but temporary candy vegetables. They munched their way through! Next, they faced a wide gap. "I can help with that!" Noonie exclaimed, wiggling with excitement. She used her ability to change gravity to create a temporary bridge, allowing them to cross safely. Kiana, ever observant, noticed a hidden message scrawled in crayon on the wall. "Follow the music, seek the light," she read aloud. Following the directions, they found a secret passage leading to a hidden room. Inside, the missing rainbow of colors was revealed. But standing guard, with a scowl on his face, was the grumpy crayon master. The crayon master was a wizened figure, covered in crayon dust, his eyes narrowed with disapproval. "These colors are mine," he declared. "All this creativity, all this noise. I've had enough. I'm keeping the colors forever." He clutched the rainbow hues protectively. Zuzu began to sing a soft, soothing melody, her fur shimmering and shifting colors with each note. The musical bubbles around them began to glow, creating a calming atmosphere. "The music will calm his heart," she whispered. Peachy, remembering the crayon master's love for sweet things, offered him a candy treat made of vegetables. Maybe this will remind you of the joy of making treats? Nooni, with her wisdom from the stars, added, "Colors belong to everyone. They bring joy to the galaxy, to everyone who needs to express their feelings." Kiana, knowing the power of art, took a deep breath and began to draw a picture. With vibrant strokes of crayon, she recreated the missing rainbow of colors, capturing its beauty and the happiness it brought. She held it up for the crayon master to see. "Look," she said, her voice filled with kindness. "It's beautiful, isn't it? The colors make everyone happy." The crayon master, seeing the picture and hearing the soft music, began to soften. He looked at the colors, at the friends, and at Kiana's drawing. He remembered the joy he once felt when he created. With a sigh, the crayon master realized his mistake. He had been so overwhelmed by the noise of the factory, he had forgotten the joy of sharing. "You're right," he admitted, his voice now laced with regret. "Colors are meant to be shared." With a wave of his hand, he returned the rainbow of colors to its place. A cheer erupted from the team. The rainbow of colors was restored. Kiana grabbed her drawing and added it to the rainbow, making it even more magnificent. Everyone began to dance and celebrate. The factory was once again filled with laughter and the happy hum of creativity. Kiana and her friends had saved the day, reminding everyone that the most beautiful things are those shared with others. From that day on, the Crayonworks was not just a place of color, but a place of friendship, where everyone knew the value of working together and sharing their creativity. And Kiana continued to draw, inspired by the magic of friendship and the power of colors. Let's see what a great listener you are. Can you answer the following question? How did the friends solve the problem of the sticky gumdrop barrier? Let's see how you did. The answer is, Peachy cast a spell that turned the gumdrops into candy vegetables. You did a great job. I really enjoyed reading this story to you today. I hope you had fun too.